Okay, to install the hinge, you need 2 small Allen keys and a set of regular channel locks. You can pry the hinge forward. You'll see there's a small hole in the hinge. Take your small Allen key, install it in these holes, and it holds the hinge at the proper angle to install. Both sides. Now the hinges are the correct angle to install on the machine. When properly installed, the hinge will be horizontal, perfectly flat, level, parallel to the ground. You can then remove your Allen keys and the door will shut. To install these clips,